In this video, Bitcoin is still consolidating for the short term, but right now we are going to look at the bigger picture and understand where is Bitcoin heading to for the year 2026. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to the Cabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, for the past few days, we have been seeing Bitcoin just relatively consolidating to the sideways, and diba sabi ko sa inyo, if wala pa tayo nakikitang tradable opportunity, then we will not trade Bitcoin. And with that being said, I will discuss to you guys what happened within the past few days. At the same time, where is Bitcoin actually going to with the bigger time frame. So I think let's start first with what has happened within the past few days. Kasi 'di ba, sa previous days, we have been seeing Bitcoin just roughly consolidating sideways lang dito, and we did not see any significant move dito kay Bitcoin. However, yung pinakang recent pattern na nag-form was actually this broadening falling wedge, and usually broadening falling wedge is a bullish pattern to the upside. However, I told you guys sa Facebook ko na this is going to be a risky trade because we haven't seen this completely form yet, but nung nagkaroon siya ng breakout, I opened a long position dito. And yun nga, nag-place na lang ako ng stop loss around the point of breakout. But yun nga, the moment na nag-fail ito at caused a fake out, nag-close yung long position ko dito for the very short term, immediately na-hit yung stop loss ko. So right now, of course, at a loss ako dyan. And that is one of the reasons kung bakit hindi tayo dapat usually nag-trade sa consolidation. But, again, we took our chances kasi, of course, meron ditong first indicators na finally na nag-form, but this is not a very clear indicator because wala naman bullish or bearish signs na sa iba't ibang time frames. It's just that dito sa 4-hour time frame, nag-form siya ng broadening wedge, so we took that risk, and unfortunately that risk didn't pay off, but at least nag-try tayo. But yeah, right now, I think we are just going to wait for this one out to continue consolidating because since nag-fail itong broadening falling wedge, and usually broadening falling wedge should actually continue this movement and play to the upside following a 94,000 movement. So right now, what we are going to do dito is we are going to wait for Bitcoin to further consolidate dito and start and hope for Bitcoin na magkaroon na siya finally ng panibagong indicators to form dito. But with that being said din dito, it's much better na we have to look at the bigger time frame kasi if you're in the shorter time frame, wala na tayong clear indicators. Initially, yung broadening falling wedge, but yun nga, since wala na yun, let's try to look at the charts dito. You can see na right now we have been playing the stochastic RSI pump and dump dito. But as you can see, it's just rapidly consolidating lang dito. Zooming out in the daily time frame, you can see na even if we have seen the bullish cross almost a week ago, as you can see, even though na nag-play on stochastic RSI dito, Bitcoin just consolidated. So this did not make any significant move kay Bitcoin. But if you're going to open in the much bigger time frame, kay weekly, you will still see na it is not forming any clear move. But in the monthly time frame, this is what you have to check out, guys. In the monthly time frame, we are still following a bearish movement pa rin dito kay Bitcoin. So even if we are consolidating for the very short term, it could mean na right now, nagpapahinga lang yung price ni Bitcoin, and then more likely by maybe some few months later or few weeks later, we might see an actual move or an actual indicators finally forming. But the general overall trend ni Bitcoin, if you're going to look at the charts and indicators, dito sa indicator na to, we are still continuing the bearish movement dito ni Bitcoin. So I think right now we are going to continue a downtrend, but I don't think it's going to happen ngayon. I think it's going to happen after a few more weeks. Medyo matagal-tagal pa to. And the moment na mag-play out yun, then of course, we are going to continue our long-term short position dito, which we have open kay Bybit. And ayun nga. So, overall, generally, bearish tayo. And then, if you're going to look at the other charts din dito, maybe let's go back here sa chart natin and let's go to the weekly time frame. Dito kay weekly time frame, you will find na we are still actually playing from this rising wedge breakout dito kay Bitcoin from this bigger time frame. So ito, malaking wedge tayo dito kay Bitcoin. And as you can see, the bottom of this wedge is going to be the main target itong Bitcoin price, which is around the $55,000. So take note, this is for the long term. And this is one of the more aggressive targets dito ni Bitcoin for the long term. So I don't expect this to happen in the next few weeks pa. I think this is for maybe the next few months in the year 2026. And as you can see, there are also different targets here, such as the $69,000, which was the all-time high noong dating cycle, which is ayun no. Yun yung all-time high nung cycle dati. And right now, I think Bitcoin is just consolidating dito and we are just going to have some pahinga dito. Then maybe after a few more weeks, we are going to continue this downtrend dito kay Bitcoin. So right now, that is what I am currently eyeing dito kay Bitcoin. I'm not going to open into any new trades for the time being, especially na yun nga natalo tayo doon and wala naman ng clear indicators for now. So yeah, we'll do our best to make updates, especially na right now I am not seeing any significant movements na nga ngayon for the very short term. So yun, right now I'm just giving you guys a quick update, especially na right now, of course, wala naman tayong mabibigay na update kasi consolidating lang siya. So ayun, generally the overall trend is still bearish. We are still playing from this rising wedge. We are still playing from this stochastic RSI monthly time frame bearish cross, and hindi lang kasi nag-load dito sa chart na to, but let me refresh this. But ito, we are also playing this also from a bearish divergence dito on top of the rising wedge. So ayun, may bearish divergence. So there are a lot of signs hinting na we are still in a bear market. And this could just be telling us na right now, pahinga muna yung bearish movement dito ni Bitcoin and we might see a continuation of this dump maybe once na mag-start na yung 2026. So, yeah, we will have to wait that one out before we start entering to any new trades. But yeah, for now, yan lang muna. Ma-update natin for the time being. But anyway, I'll be trading guys yung mga short-term price actions dito kay Wix kasi kay Wix mas mura ang Bitcoin trading fees and of course hindi pa siya block sa Pilipinas. So make sure to take advantage of Wix and meron din kayong sign up bonus if you're going to use my sign up link which you can find in the description down below. And again guys, if you want to start learning all for free, make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist which you can find in the description down below. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.